on a bus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Izzy, choo-choo. We're in Magic Kingdom. Coconuts. There we go. Awesome.
What is that? What's that? Oh my goodness, whose castle? Cinderella's.
There's mommy, really working hard. Look at those feet. Pumping those legs. She's making record time here. We're going beeline. Where are we going?
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. And look at how close we are to this awesomeness. We are in Disney World.
Isn't it beautiful?
Winnie, where are we right now? They're in Disney World right now. Are you soaking in the moment? How do you feel?
Bad.
You feel bad?
Yeah.
Somehow I don't believe you. Are you having the time of your life?
Yeah.
Is it awesome? Would you say everything is awesome right about now? Okay. How about you, Izzy? How are you doing? So, Genius, tell everybody, tell us our future selves and everybody else. It was all those months and months of planning and down to every little detail.
Yeah.
It's all here. How do you feel now?
Excited.
Excited?
Can't wait to get on everything we planned on getting on and seeing everything and meeting the characters. It's gonna be
It was
great.
quite a trek to get here.
Right.
But it was all led up to this, and here we are. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So I'm walking around with Izzy as Mommy and Winnie are on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. And I just went with Winnie, and it was awesome. And I'm gonna try to see if, oh yeah, we have a viewing area right here. We can see the ride. This is just amazing being here at Disney World. It was not a very long wait. It was pretty awesome. The ride was great. Okay, I don't think that was them, but we're gonna keep on recording until we got them. There they are, I saw them. Awesome. We did it! Hi, Izzy. We just saw Winnie and Mommy. There they are, I saw them. Mommy and Winnie.
Do you want to go in bigger?
Winter Rose. Winter Rose, how did you enjoy your first ride at Disney World?
She's ready to move on.
Yes, she is,
She's
isn't
like
she?
on a roll.
Yeah. How was it,
feedback.
Winnie? How was it, Genius?
It was so good.
It was cool, right?
It was. She loved it. She was telling me how much fun it was gonna be. Winnie, sit.
Hi there! Now I don't think of myself as an angry seagull.
I guess we chose right. I'm
Good
so
job,
excited.
Genius. Good job, Genius. We're going under the sea.
You know Ariel, the mermaid? Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice. But let me tell you, that evil sea witch voice.
Wow. Winnie, we're under the sea where Ariel lives. There she is.
On the It was beautiful.
I want to do that again.
Okay, Winnie, what do you think so far? Winnie, what do you think so far of Disney World? Are you having fun? No? Winnie, I think you're having a lot of fun. What's your favorite part so far? Winter Rose. Say hi, Izzy.
Hi.
What's on your face? That's from Ariel?
No.
Look at us. Look, it's Izzy and it's Daddy. We're at Disney World, right behind something from Tangled. The bathrooms. Pretty cool. Say hi. Next stop is Splash Mountain, and you will not be seeing this because we do not want to get the camera phone wet. My name is Woody and Jeffrey. I'm going to try to sneak past them without the dropping. Let's see how this ends up. I like to document this. He's rooting to Miss Cowboy around. Pretty awesome. We're definitely going to meet them soon. PhilharMagic. We're going to see what this is all about. Yes, we are. We're in Disney World. Alright, we're going to see what this is. Whoa.
Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra!
One by one, tonight you got